Hello, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete funnel in ClickFunnels. So real simple, guys. Head over to the funnel you want to delete. Head over to your settings. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. And on the left-hand side, select Archive Funnel. Now, it will not delete it completely. It will archive it. So if you have, say, 20 funnels and you want to make room, when you archive it or delete it, you will now have 19 funnels, so meaning you have one extra you can use. So if you go through all your funnels and you're like, I'm not using this, this, and this, just archive them, and that will lower your funnels, so now you have more funnels available. And if you ever want to go back to use them, you can. So we'll not delete it completely, which is a good thing, but it will take it off of your funnel. It'll lower your funnel account. It'll lower your pages so you can add more funnels. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.